Welcome to SharePlant Rentals. In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating how to purchase, view, and manage a subscription. From the home page, navigate to your dashboard by selecting your profile in the top right corner and using the drop-down menu. Once in your dashboard, select Subscriptions from the menu on the left and click Subscription Packages. Before selecting the subscription plan, please read the information at the top of this page. Once you have found the plan best suited to your company, please follow the payment instructions and complete your transaction. If you would like your details saved for future purchases, click the option displayed on this page. Now you have subscribed, please navigate back to your user dashboard, select the Subscriptions drop-down menu and select My Subscriptions. Here you can view your active plan as well as any past ones you may have purchased. All subscription transactions will be displayed here. By turning on the Auto Renew option, you can remove the hassle of having to manually renew your subscription at the end of each term. You have now successfully completed the subscription process. For more guidance and next steps, please visit our website or YouTube channel.